What is science and technology important? Greetings. My name is Yulacy. On this occasion, I would like to talk about the importance of science and technology for me. Science and technology allow us to create and innovate in everything we do. At the same time, it offers solutions of the challenge of everyday life and help us to answer the great mysteries of humanity. Personally, I study biology, science, and technology help me with each of my concerns, solving questions of the history of making. It is important to note that science provides extremely significant learning to biologists and to each of the citizens. Science is a wonderful advance that is capable of revealing the truth of the hidden theories and each of the process of nature. The importance of science in the field of arts and science is incredible because they justify their existence in the search and development of product, service, media, tools, and other theories, so much so that it can satisfy human and life needs. In general, health problems have been solved thanks to science and technology. An important example of science and technology will be the drug applied to COVID-19. Thank you.